Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable secure backups using Restic on VPS, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable secure backups using Restic on a VPS, start by logging into your VPS via SSH. Use the command SSH your username at your VPS IP to connect. Once logged in, update your package manager to ensure you have the latest software. For Debian-based systems, run sudo apt update and in sudo apt upgrade y. For Red Hat-based systems, use sudo yum update y. Next, install Restic on your VPS. On Debian-based systems, execute sudo apt install Restic y. On Red Hat-based systems, type sudo yum install Restic y. After installation, create a secure password for your backup repository. Use a password manager to generate a strong password. Now, choose a storage backend for your backups. You can use cloud services like AWS S3, Backblaze B2, or a local directory. For this guide, let's use a local directory. Create a directory for your backups with dir/restic backups. Initialize the Restic repository by running the command restic init repo/restic backups. When prompted, enter your secure password. Proceed to set your backup configuration. Create an environment variable for the password by running export restic_password equals your_secure_ password. Make sure to replace your _secure_ password with the password you saved earlier. Next, choose the files or directories you want to back up. For example, to back up your home directory, run restic backup /. Monitor the backup process in the terminal. After the backup completes, verify it by listing the snapshots. Use the command restic snapshots to view your backup history. Next, set up a backup schedule using cron jobs to automate this process. Run crontab e to edit your crontab file. Add a line to schedule the backup, such as 02***/usr/bin/restic backup /var/log/restic.log 2-in-1. This will run the backup daily at 2 a.m. and log the output. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.